Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to be picking up pallets from the Bulq.com warehouse. This is not something they do for regular customers, so I guess I'm going to be the guinea pig to see if it works and if they can do it in the future. So here we go. I'm going to show you us getting our stuff. All right, we're on our way. I've sped up the speed a little bit so that you don't see us driving forever, but we're getting ready to make the turn right into the Bulq warehouse. Check out the signs right there on the sign, Bulq. There it is. And here we go. That big white building in the background is the Bulq warehouse. We're almost there. And we're going to see if we can get all our pallets loaded on this ginormous truck that we are on. So pulling into the loading bay. Let's see if we can get all our stuff. This is exciting. That's actually a huge, enormous building. I'm gonna have to show you up close a little more. Check out how massively enormous this place is. I can't wait to get inside and see what it's all about. And I guess if you sell Bulq, you'll get a car like that, maybe? Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm here with Tiffany again. You saw receiving. We're gonna see all of my actual pallets getting loaded on the truck. I'm super excited. We're gonna see if my hubby can back the truck and see how many times it takes. All right, here he comes. We're gonna see if he can back it up. Waving like a crazy person. All right, let's see. It's gonna swing it. They put us in the last bay because they don't want him to crash. So he won't hit another truck. He did it! Yes, we got the thumbs up. Awesome.
Okay, so when you guys as customers order online, it comes up as an order number. So when we know that the order number is ready to be picked, one of the forklift drivers will pick that order, which has happened here with Dallas Pallets.
We're standing in the middle of 11 pallets and 2 cases I think we ordered.
So once it's picked, to make sure that we know that it has left the building and is no longer in this building, we go to our gun here and we have to scan all of the, we call them license plates, LPs, PTAs.
The giant form of those little LP tags that you guys hate taking off when you have to resell them.
So you want to scan it, and then after we scan it, it pops up this little screen, and then we scan it to the door. That means that pallet has been put on the truck and is no longer in this building.
It has left the building.
Yes, it has.
Awesome. Awesome. So let's see one loaded and see the process. All right. And then this handsome gentleman will get all the stuff on the truck for us.
This is DJ.
DJ. The expert with the pallet jack.
Normally we do it with forklifts, but not on a box truck. Can't do it with a box truck.
Because box trucks have air brakes, right? So that's part of the reason.
Forklift won't fit in there.
Oh yeah, we don't want to scrape it.
Yeah, that's what the red lines are there for. So if it's anything that's below the red line, forklift won't go in it.
Oh, gotcha.
Great job, DJ. Great job.
Awesome.
So he's just going to continue to do the same thing with all the pallets until it's completely, the order's done.
All right, and then the cases and stuff we can just throw on top of the pallets and get it all.
Was that one of the best jobs I've ever seen?
Was that one of the best backup jobs of a truck?
It's better than most of the truck drivers that come here.
Yeah, she said there was one guy that just every day just rams the warehouse.
Every day he rams the warehouse, but you know.
Yeah, so.
I figure one day he's not going to do it, but unfortunately it doesn't work.
Don't hold your breath, right?
Yeah, no.
Awesome. So all of our pallets are getting loaded. We'll show you kind of at the end of the process, like how they all got crammed into the truck. So hopefully we can fit them all. But yeah, so from receiving, getting packed, to loading them. There's Colleen hanging out with us, actually giving us, you know, clearance to be in the space. Really, that's the reason. So thank you so much, Tiffany, for jumping on, and you know, we'll kind of show the end where everything is totally fully loaded. So I'm super excited. Look, we're all loaded. They did a beautiful, glorious job. Isn't it the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? So I've got 11 pallets and 2 cases. You will be future seeing the unboxings of all that go on in the future and the loading process. So I hope you loved watching my hubby back the truck. He did a good job. He didn't break anything, so I'm super excited. So this is future videos to come, and they did a wonderful job loading all of this stuff. So hopefully it's been helpful learning how do they get it even out of the warehouse once it's been purchased by a customer. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.